Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today I bring you another co-branded smartphone from Oneplus and Genshin. So this is the latest OnePlus Ace2 and Genshin smartphone, and this is third smartphone that from Genshin and OnePlus. So let's see what this phone really looks like and how about the specification about this model. First, we find that it's have a very attractive red color, and here left side is the scroll, and in the picture there's a male character, one of the character from OnePlus. Genshin story is the Shenling, and here is smartphone, and here in the main picture here is the big box, and I'll show you what's inside the box. Okay, then I will talk about the specification about this phone. Okay, let's open the box and talk what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so now we already opened the box, and I keep the left is the Shanling character from Genshin, the Shanling. Picture is a scroll, the design like scroll, and the right is a smartphone. I put it in the top of the box, the Java, and I think I should introduce some special things for you. The left is the Guoba, and this was the Shenlin. The main characters from the Genshin. This time they really focus on these two characters. And in the top is the 3D buildings, and here. So in the box I have two Javas. Second is the OnePlus Ace gift box user manual, and here is the box to include the scroll, and here in the second side is a smartphone OnePlus S2, and this is a phone. And inside this box I will give you more details about the user manual because it's so unique. Here is the SIM card deep customized bar SIM card ejector inside the book, so it's really funny, right? So I think you cannot wait to check what's inside this. Yeah, so this is the it's the user menu, special user menu, and it's very good quality, very funny. It's designed like a book. Okay, open it. Okay, so this is the book, or user menu book here. First page, catalog, and the conclusion, and include accessories. Well, here some signs from the game. First, part 1. Well, part 2 is like a 3D picture. Shanling, Guoba, fire. Second page is the card. Well, special card 2, part 2, Shanling and Guoba. Great. Then next page. Yes, sticker. Shanling, and here it's place to place the SIM card eject. And here is the last page. So this is all the stuff inside this. Okay, customized accessory book. It's funny, right? And next, talk about the specification of the smartphone. Okay, same red color with golden blocking logo print on the back panel. The material is kind of leather, a regular camera design. Silver mirror reflection, both the camera's part and the framework. 3 stage. 10 from silence, total silence, vibration, and sound. Triple camera system with dual LED flashlight, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 wide angle, and 2 megapixel macro lens. Here in front we find the lock screen animation customized. Guava. Here, dynamic wallpaper animation, Xianling, customized icons from Genshin, Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, 8 plus 3, 8 GB RAM plus 512 GB RAM, LPDDR5X UFS 3.1 supported, 5000 battery, and 100 big fast charging. Front camera here, front 60 megapixel, 6.47-inch front screen, OLED, 120 Hz refresh rate. Find the information here. Sorry. Refresh rate 120 Hz, 1440 PMW brightness adjustment. So this is the basic specification about this phone. Also, in-framed remote control supported, Type-C dual speaker, dual stereo speaker. Very nice device. So do you like such a unique phone from OnePlus and Genshin? Make comment and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.